Welcome to Study Physics. In this video we will be solving problems of chapter 31, that is the capacitor, and this is the problem 34 of chapter 31. So what is asked in this question is the capacitance between the adjacent plates shown in the figure is 50 nanofarad. So the capacitance in between these two plates and in these two plates given here is 50 nanofarads. The charge of 1 microcoulomb is placed on the middle plate. So what is given in the question is, consider that a charge Q is equals to 1 microcoulomb is placed on the middle of the plate. Then in part A, what is asked is what will be the charge on the outer surface of the upper plate. So we are asked about the charge on this side of the plate, and this is part A. What is asked in part B is find the potential difference developed between the upper plate and middle plate. So after that we have to decide the potential difference developed in between these two plates. So since in the question capacitance between these two plates is given, that is 50 nanofarad. So once we decide the charge in between these two plates, by that time we can evaluate with the help of Q is equals to C into V, we can decide the potential difference between these two plates. So this is just the roadmap. So how we will be doing is, now we will take one by one. So let us erase these all the parts. Now since consider that Q charge is given over here, by that time what will happen is, so Q charge is just 1 microcoulomb. So if we give 1 microcoulomb to this plate of the capacitor, by that time division will take place and both the sides will have equal amount of charge. So 0.5 microcoulomb and 0.5 microcoulomb will appear on the both sides of this plate. So after that, due to induction, why? Because these two plates are kept very close. So because of the induction effect, what will happen is a negative charge of 0.5 microcoulomb will appear on this part of the plate, and a positive charge of 0.5 microcoulomb will appear on this part of the plate or this side of the plate. Since in this question nothing is asked about this plate, so we can ignore the charge distribution over this plate, but for the beginners it will be helpful. So again I will do it. So this is a 0.5 microcoulomb. So again, because of the induction effect, 0.5 microcoulomb will appear on this plate, and similarly 0.5 microcoulomb, positive 0.5 microcoulomb will appear on this plate. So we have now decided all the charges or charges of all the sides of the plates. So now we can solve our problem one by one. So in part A, what is asked is the charge on the upper part of the plate. So now we can very easily say that it is a 0.5 microcoulomb. So we have decided the charge on the upper plate. So in this way we have evaluated A, and what is asked in B is the potential difference developed in between these two plates. So how to decide the potential difference is Q is equals to C into V. So in between these two plates the charge is of 0.5 microcoulomb. So we will be writing like 0.5 into 10 to the power minus of 6, and in between these two plates the capacitance given is 50 nanofarad. So it will be like 50 into 10 to the power minus 9, and a potential we have to decide. So we will do it. So now what we can do here is 6 and here 9. So it will be like minus 3. So in order to decide the value of B, what we will do is 0.5 divided by 50, and this value will be 3, and we can write it like this. So these two value will cancel these two terms, so this value will be like 2. So again 5 into 2, that is 10 volt only. So in this way the potential difference developed between the plates of the capacitor will be like 10 volt. So in this way we have completed our 34th problem. So thank you, with request to share, subscribe, comment. So with the hope to learn together, grow together, we will keep supporting each other. From my side, what I can do I will be doing, and from your side the only thing required is to share among your friends, comment if you have any doubt or if anything mistake is there, so please comment. So thank you.